Okay, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel Shuhur. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Or you can even put some comment and then I will try to do it. So today I'm going to change the oil seal of the gearbox that attached to the long shaft. So this is the oil seal inside the gearbox, and it attached to the long shaft, and the long shaft attached to the rear axle. So normally this kind of setup is for the rear wheel drive. So you just need to open this the screw. Normally the size of the screw is 12 and 14 and 12 and 13. So it just have 4 screws that you need to open, and then you just pull it out the long shaft. It's just like a socket, male and female. So it's an easy job actually. Okay, so sekarang dah buka. Now the oil seal dah open. So kita pergi beli kat kedai oil seal. This is the oil seal. The new oil seal.